राधा रानी की जय, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की जय. I'm going to do a verse sing a verse of Shama Shamgi. Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu, as we know, for the benefit of the world, he wrote many books. One of them, Shama Shamgi, 1008 dohas, divine couplets, containing all the philosophy of all the Vedic scriptures, Vedas, Puranas, Mahabharata, Gita, Ramayana, etc. All divine pastimes of Sri Radha Krishna, the gopis and cows. So verse number 42. It says, आपू को इकलो न मानो कह पामा, सदा सर्वत्र तेरे साथ रहे श्यामा. We people have very big fault, एक बड़ा दोष है, उसको प्राइवेसी कहते हैं. It's called privacy. We have this feeling that no one knows what I'm thinking. First, we don't understand who is the performer of our action. काम करने वाला कौन है? बाहर देखते हैं, we look outwardly. Outward action. We look as the performer of action. यही कर्म है. So then that's why we don't have the feeling that I have done anything wrong. मैं पापी नहीं, मैंने पाप किया नहीं. I have not done anything wrong because I didn't do anything wrong physically. I didn't kill anybody. किसी को मारा नहीं. I didn't beat anyone up. I didn't steal. चोरी नहीं किया. शराब नहीं पिया, मांस नहीं खाया. So, because I didn't do any wrong things externally, so I don't have the feeling I am a sinner, papi. But ये भगवान नहीं देखते हैं, या गुरु और भगवान इसको नहीं देखते. God and Guru do not look at our external activities. They do not look at the physical action, in other words. They don't note that. They look at our thoughts and ideas. हमारे विचार को देखते हैं. क्यों? Why? Because of the mind is the performer of the action. मन ही है करता काम का. वेद से मन एव मनुष्यानाम कारणम बंध मोक्षयो ब्रह्म बिंदु उपनिषद. Second mantra. This mantra is found in other Upanishads also, Narad, Puran, many places. It's so important. This mantra is very important. Man, mind. Ev, alone. He. Manushyana. हम लोग. We people. Human beings. कारणम, वो कारण, cause, बंधन, bondage, moksha, liberation. The mind alone is the cause of bondage as well as liberation. Mind is the performed action. Mind देखो बहुत कुछ करते हैं. Physically we worship God. Lots of people, they go do puja, havan, sing bhajan, kirtan, bow to all Babaji, saint we meet, bow to Bhagwan, to God. We do everything spiritually, but only physically. उस समय मन कहाँ है वो नहीं सोचते. When the mind is at that time, we don't think. And that's why we don't benefit. We can sing uncountable name of Bhagwan, uncountable puja, go to uncountable place of pilgrimage. But if the mind is not involved, then it's like multiplying by zero. Zero guna arab barabar zero. Zero multiplied by a billion, by a trillion, billion, zero. No matter how many times. Actually, we get harmed. Because the abhiman come. Oh, I have done so much job. I do so much job every day. I do so much puja. 3 hours, 3 घंटे बैठ के पूजा किया. Hey, have you ever been to Rishikesh? Have you been to Puri, Rameshwaram, Dwarika? No. Charo Dham, I went to all the 4 dham. I went here, I did this, I did so much dhan. Abhiman. The pride comes. And one thing Bhagwan and Guru doesn't like, Abhiman, pride. The moment pride comes, we lose everything devotionally. The Guru has not taught the followers mind alone. Bhakti man se hi hote hai. Only the mind. So in the same way, we are thinking wrong thoughts every moment. But हर समय गलत सोचते. किसी के अगेंस्ट, वो इतना बुरा, वो ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है. We're thinking wrong thoughts every moment. काम, क्रोध, लोभ, greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust. I don't like this one, I don't like that one. Jealous of this one, jealous of that person. He's so bad, I have to fix him. I don't know what Maharaji is doing. I don't know what Dinis are doing. Why don't they fix that person? We commit naam aparadh. We start judging Guru, Mahapurush. They don't know. I know better than them. This is because I am better than that person. He is such a dirty person, so bad. One of the worst thing, a sadhak, one who is doing bhakti, practicing sadhana, bhakti, is paradosh dekhna. To look at the faults of others. Worst thing. This is why Bhagwan Shri Ram said to Shabari, Ashtam Jatha Labh Santosha Sapna नेहु नहीं देखहि पर दोषा. Shavri, the eighth type of devotion is to be contented, whether in gain or loss, and not even a dream to find faults, to look at the faults of others. This fault finding is very dangerous. Number one, why is it so dangerous? How do I find fault when I think I'm better than this person? That's how I find fault. I'm better than you. So Abhiman, ego has come, which God and Guru doesn't like. Abhiman, ego. And number two, when I look at your fault, I find fault with you, I already have so much fault. As long as we are on Maya, we have all the faults of Maya. Greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust, all. Kalkusundji said to Guruji in the Sapta Prashna, Manas rog kachuk mein gaye hai sabke lakhi biral nahi paaye. Guruji asks Kalkusundji the seventh question. One, what is the disease about diseases of the mind? Manas rog. Kalkusundji told many: greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust, many. And he says, hey Guru, there's only few. Kachukha my guy. There are many more. And everyone, as long as we are on the Maya, as long as we don't attain God realization, as long as we are on the Maya, everyone has all the faults. Hai sabke. I'm not saying. Tulsidas Maharaj, Kalkusundji say, I'm not jealous, I'm not greedy. I get a little angry, that's all, a little angry. Little angry. If one is there, all are there. When one go, all will go. In other words, when Maya goes, sab jayenge saath mein, all will go. Because Maya is the mother. So as long as Maya is there, all are there. Why don't we see? Lakhi Biral and Pie is extremely difficult for the worldly person to see how bad we are. We can see how bad everybody else is. Why is it so difficult for us to see how bad we are? The condition of our own mind, Abhiman, ego. So number one, when we find faults with the ego, Abhiman. Number two, I am adding. I already have so much fault, dosh, we'll keep adding. This is why the saints and God has said, don't find faults, dosh in anything. Look, as long as we are on the Maya, everybody is bad. Sab bura hai. Everyone is bad. As long as we are on the Maya, we have all the faults. But how does it help me by complaining how bad someone else is or thinking how bad that person is? I'm just destroying myself. That person is bad, doing wrong thing. That's okay, it's fine. He'll get the fruit, he's destroying himself. Why you have to destroy yourself also? Nobody takes an axe and cut his own foot. Kalidas, he sat on the branch and he cut the wrong side. We're worse than Kalidas. At least he didn't cut his feet. Why harm our own self? So how can we save ourselves from this very dangerous thing of fault finding? And how can we feel two things? How can we save ourselves from this very harmful thing of finding faults, looking at the faults of others? And number two, how can we prevent ourselves from thinking wrong? This privacy thing, that what I'm doing, thinking nobody knows. So first, knowledge has to be there. The mind alone is the performer of the action. God and Guru is looking at my thoughts, not physical action, what I'm thinking. That realization has to come. I don't have any privacy. This thing that privacy, the husband is lying on the lap of the wife and he's thinking about some other lady. And he is guaranteed wife doesn't know. But there's someone else who is there looking. We forget Bhagwan is noting. Guru is noting. So we have to get rid of this feeling of privacy. This is one sadhana we have to practice every day. I am never alone. Hari Guru sada mere saath hai. Radha Krishna Guru Maharaj is always with me. This has many benefits. Just practice this sadhana. बहुत लाभ है इसमें. Look, to think wrong is natural. क्योंकि हम माया के अंदर में है ना. We are not Maya, so naturally we will think wrong. But if I think Radha Rani is looking at me, Shri Krishna is looking, Maharaj is looking, someone is going in the dark, अंधेरे में चोरी करने जा रहे हैं, is going to steal in the dark, commit a crime. Suddenly someone come, a friend, and tap in the shoulder. Hey, कहाँ जा रहे? Where are you going? I'm just taking some air, man. Feeling too hot in the house. He was going to do crime. Galat card. And the friend suddenly tapped him on the shoulder, saved him. In the same way, the tendency to think wrong because we are not Maya is there. But if I have made a fact that I'm never alone, that Maharaj is always looking at me, Radha Rani is always looking at me, whose love I want, whose grace I want, then the moment the thought will come, I cut the line right there. It's not good. Maharaj is looking, Radha Rani is looking. I cut the line right there. बच गया. So this we have to make a fact. इसके अभ्यास करना, we have to practice this sadhana, one sadhana also. This also is helpful because God and Guru is there. Eko Deva Sarva Bhuteshu Gudha Sarva Vyapi Sarva Bhutantaratma Karmadhyaksha Sarva Lokadivasa Sakshi Cheta Kevalo Nirgunascha Shveta Sutra Upanishad chapter 6 verse 11. God is sitting in the heart of every living being. Every living being, in every particle of the universe, God is pervaded. कर्म में व्याप्त है भगवान. ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां Hriddeshe Junatishthati. Chapter 18, verse 61, Gita. Shri Krishna is saying to Arjun, God is sitting in the heart of every living being. So Bhagavan is there, but we have to make it a fact. We forget. Otherwise, we would not be able to take one wrong thought for us to do it. So we make this a fact, and the difference between Bhagavan and the saint, the true Guru, Bhagavan is Antaryami, all-knowing for every soul in the uncountable solar system, uncountable planet Earth. Shri Krishna is sitting in the heart and taking note, and rewarding and punishing accordingly. But when we accept a true Guru, a true saint as a Guru, that Guru is Shri Krishna personified. But he only takes note of those who accept him as Guru. The moment you accept the saint as Guru, he comes and sits in the heart. Oh, piche nahi dekhte. He doesn't look at the past. The moment we bring him and put him to sit in our heart, from there he starts looking. Only for those who accept him as Guru. So now he protects also. We make that a fact, then you will realize, you will see, Maharaj is always with me. You have fear, dar ki kya baat? Now you no longer have fear. Radha Rani is with me, Maharaj is with me. No fear. Something is going to happen, Pradab ke anusar, because of Pradab, I have to work it. And even there also Guru protects. Shri Krishna says, I do yoga kshemam pahamyaham. I protect, I bring attainment of what you do not have, and I protect what you have. Jo nahi hai, wo de dete. Aur jo hai, iski raksha karta. This is Shri Krishna's challenge. But for who? Ananya shintayantu mami janah paripasate Desha nitya phyuktanam yoga kshemam vahamyaham. Chapter 9 verse 22 Gita. Shri Krishna says, those who worship me exclusively, I love only Shri Krishna. Ananya. And completely surrendered. This is it. So he does for his bhaktas, Bhakta Vatsal. Before that, when you accept a true saint as Guru, bona fide saint as Guru, he does yoga kshemam mahamyam. Yoga kshema bahana karanam vandeham sadguru charanam. Jagat Guru Tam Kripalu Mahaprabhu is written in one line of his kirtan. Guru does yoga kshema mahamyam. You don't have to fake this problem. Vishwas nahi. Faith nahi. There's no worry. Guru says, Seva hai, just ho gaya. Before he can say, my hand is up. क्योंकि हमारा लक्ष्य है गुरु को खुश करना और कुछ नहीं. For a sadhak, the aim is to make Guru happy. Nothing else. And never do anything which will make Guru unhappy. Bas. So, we have to get rid of this feeling of privacy. There's none, but we don't realize that. Because Radha Krishna, Radha Rani, and when you accept a true saint, Shrotriya Brahmanishta Mahapurush, a lot of people we accept as Guru, worldly people, not Guru. Shrotriya Brahmanishta Mahapurush. Sri Krishna says in Gita, Jnaninaha Tattvadarshinaha. Two qualities that qualifies one to be Guru. Chapter 4, verse 34 Gita. Jnaninaha, complete knowledge. All the Vedas, all the Puranas, Gita, Mahabharata, all the scriptures. Plus, he can make us understand. He removes our doubt. This is Jnaninaha, Shrotriya. But more important, Tattvadarshinaha. He's attained a divine love, divine vision, divine bliss of Sri Krishna. He's attained God. Brahmanishtam. Then he is qualified to be Guru. Otherwise, we accept a worldly man. He could be the biggest Babaji. So many Babajis in India. No practical experience. They may know a lot when it comes to Shastra Ved. Anybody can read book and give talk. Have practical experience. Have attained Krishna. There is a case if we accept such a person who has not attained God as Guru, blind leading the blind. Andhe naivaniyamana yathan tha. Mundak Upanishad, first Mundak, second Kand, 8th mantra. Ved say. In other words, he is going to hell and taking us with him. When we make a worldly person Guru. Only saint, God, who has attained God, one who has attained Krishna, can take us to Shri Krishna. So, it's important. We have to practice the sadhana. We have to practice also. I have no privacy. Somebody in the world doesn't know what I'm thinking. Doesn't know how bad I am. People complain, he's so bad. Everybody is very bad. Or else we wouldn't be here. We'd be in Golok. Extremely bad. Accept that. मैं पतितों से भी पतित हूँ. I am the most fallen, the biggest sinner. And that's it. Feel. This will bring tears. This will bring dinata, humility, which is the foundation of devotion. Shri Krishna is called Patit Pavan, the one who loves sinners. प्यार करते हैं पतित को. Wow. But we don't accept that I am patit, I am most fallen. We have this abhiman. उसको स्वीकार कर. Shri Krishna is saying, I love sinners. Radharani is saying, I love sinners. The uplifter of the fallen soul, sinful soul. Just accept that soul. Feel, realize inside. After Maya, we'll do wrong things. Only when we are saint, people have this big thing, oh, he's wearing this kind of clothes, he's like that, and he's doing this. Are he's not saint? No. What do you expect? Only when God realizes. Then, this is the question Ma Sita. Mother Sita asked Ram when he said, I will not forgive Jayant. Sita said, Na kashtin narapradhyati. Ram, hey Swami, has there ever been a soul on the Maya, in the past, in the present, in the future? The soul is on the Maya and has not done wrong things? Or doesn't do wrong? Ram said, impossible. So he had to forgive them. we are in a Maya. It is not license to do wrong things, but it's nature. We are in a Maya. We don't have this abhiman. Go around knocking your chest and, oh, I am. Try to be humble. And the humility will come only when I feel I am the most fallen, the most sinful. The more humble we become, the closer we get to Radharani. The closer we get to Maharaj Shri Krishna. They love humility. Dina Bandhu hai, Dina Bandhu. Friend of the humble. वो अभिमान बंधु नहीं है. Not friend of the proud, arrogant. Friend of the humble. So every Kripalu Mahaprabhu, every doha, I can go on talking. It's filled with so much philosophy. But we just take one like this and put it to practice. And you see, just practice this one thing. I'm never alone. Maharaji is always looking at me, he's always with me, Radharani is always with me. If we make that a fact, the more we make that a fact, but you have no other sadhana to do. Oh yeah, sadhana. That's all. There's much more we hear another time. Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, Radharani ki jai, Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Page 147. Help him get it.
He tells me the song actually.
Tell you the song?
Yeah.
Kripa Karu Barasane Wa.
Oh, easy.
Hindi. Poor guy. Learn some Hindi. बरसाने वाली तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भाई कृपा कर बरसाने मेरे साथी महाकाली तुम्हें बाबा श्रुति मेरा रोम रोम बोले प्यारी आस में तेरे कृपा प्यारी पर है कृपा प्यारी, तेरा कर है कृपा प्यारी। तेरी कृपा तो कृपा है प्यारी, तेरा रूप भी कृपा है प्यारी। तेरी कृपा कहाँ मनवारी, तेरी कृपा की परिहारी। कृपा पर कृपा करे प्यारी, ऐसी कृपा करे वारी वारी। ओ